Hello, my name is Dyer Heintz. I'm a pediatric gastroenterologist. I think I probably was interested in science when I was younger, which made some sense, and helping people seemed to go along with that. Interesting enough, I said I was going to be a pediatrician since I was 7 years old, and so, lo and behold, here I am. I was interested in inflammatory bowel disease. Was kind of the first thing that made me gravitate towards doing gastroenterology. I have 3 kids of my own, so I think I'm very relatable as far as a lot of the things that people experience, particularly babies with reflux, kids who have tummy pain, these sorts of things, all stuff I've experienced in my own household, so it makes it very easy to relate one-on-one with a lot of stories that I see when they come in. My wife's a pediatric dietitian, so there's a lot of give and take regarding nutrition and things like that in my household. She worked for a number of years in GI, in renal, in obesity, in a bunch of different areas of pediatrics. So I'm able to draw on a lot of her collective experience as well, which I think helps in pediatrics quite a bit, especially with nutrition being a big part of what we try to do. As far as trust goes, I think that's hard on a first-time visit to come in and automatically trust somebody, but that's what we've asked to do in healthcare on a day-to-day basis. So a lot of what I do is sharing from my own experience, interjecting stories about my own kids and my own life and how that pertains to what's going on with our families and our patient. Working with kids, I mean, that's the best part about it. I think that's why most of us went into pediatrics, is to help little kids to feel better. And they're fun, having them in clinic, watching them play with toys, sitting down, playing with some Legos, these sorts of things. I mean, it's just enjoyable to be around. Ooh, these days, all I do is soccer with the kids pretty much every weekend. That seems to be where it's at. 3 kids that play soccer on at least 6 days a week, it feels like. So a lot of time is spent doing that. As far as hobbies outside of that lately, I mean, I enjoy playing soccer myself or helping out coach sometimes. Yeah, that's a lot of life these days, running kids everywhere.